EDF have teamed up with the University of Sheffield to create a heat pump survey and customer journey application, with the ultimate aim of creating a robust tool that can survey DNO regions remotely. The tool has the potential to estimate heat pump load, preemptively recommend measures to reduce load and defer reinforcement, with the aim of increasing renewable energy consumption and ultimately increasing energy efficiency. These recommendations for investment would then be sourced to the tool and would provide end users with a range of strategies to accelerate the uptake of low carbon heating and, importantly, to respond to increased predicted loads that will come with this. The benefits that this will bring: reducing the cost of operating the network, reducing carbon dioxide emissions and saving customers on their bills, will be maximised by the framework that is developed, with a stakeholder-focused tool designed to maximise participation from all segments in society.